Hi friends, myself Krishna Dhage, and today we are going to learn a very simple and interesting unit, gravitation. Friends, you know when object fall from certain height, it get fall on a surface of the earth, or when you thrown a object in a vertically upward direction, it attains a certain height, and at that particular height its final velocity becomes zero and it start moving toward the center of the earth. Friends, every motion force is a cause. For every motion force is a cause. Due to only force motion takes place in that object. When I thrown duster in upward direction, duster attains certain height h from the surface of the ground. With I thrown object with consider I thrown that object with initial velocity 100 meter per second. While moving upward, its velocity get reduces, and at a certain height its final velocity will become 0 meter per second, and from this point it starts moving in downward direction. This object, the duster or any object, start moving in downward direction. Friends, when that duster is moving in downward direction, its velocity get increases by this point to point, and before just reaching to the ground its velocity is maximum. Just before reaching to the ground its velocity is maximum, and on when it reaches on this ground at that time its velocity will become 0 meter per second. When Sir Isaac Newton was seated below the apple tree, you know this is a very interesting story. And when he was seated below this apple tree, apple fall on him, and he start thinking why apple fall on him. Okay, he raised many questions at that time. Why apple does not move in this left horizontal direction? Why apple does not move in right horizontal direction? Why apple does not move in vertical upward direction? At the same time he thought, what is the magnitude of force apple get attracted towards the earth? He thought, after certain time he come to the conclusion, yes, there is a one force which is attracting this apple towards the center of the earth. You know, moon is revolving around the earth in this elliptical orbit. Okay, you know this is the earth surface. Moon get revolved in this orbit around the earth. Okay, this is the moon which is revolving around the earth. Okay, students, my dear friends, when moon changes its place at every point on this orbit, it's changing its direction. Friends, you know, if there is a change in magnitude or if there is a change in direction, at that time there is a change in velocity, and that change in velocity is nothing but acceleration, and for that acceleration there is a one force which is cause, and that force is nothing but centripetal force, and centripetal force is also called as center seeking force. And for this centripetal force there is one force which causes, and that for this centripetal force causes due to earth gravitational attraction. Okay, that centripetal force causes due to earth gravitational attraction. And after that Newton thought, is apple get attracted towards the earth and moon is also attracting towards the force, the magnitude of that both the forces is equal or different. After certain study he get concluded and he has given one statement, yes, that force of attraction is same. Every object in the universe get attracted towards the center of the earth with the same magnitude of force, and that force of attraction is given by capital G into capital M into small m divided by r square. Friends, you should know this G is nothing but earth gravitational constant, m is nothing but mass of the earth, this small m is nothing but mass of the object on the earth, and this r is nothing but the distance between two objects. Okay, if this is the earth and there is the one object on this earth surface, okay, then this distance between these two objects is given by r, and okay, r, always force is measured in Newton, okay, you know, and this is the earth gravitational constant, its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square kg square. Okay, from this equation, from this first equation, you can find out the value of G equals to F into r square divided by m into m. After that, he raised one question, Newton raised one question, is why the apple does not attract earth, why the apple does not attract earth. Okay, yes, according to Newton's third law, every object attracts every other object with the same force. Okay, and this apple get attracted toward the earth, earth is also attracted, but according to Newton's second law, you know, F equals to m into a and m equals to f by a, m equals to f by a, and if mass is smaller then acceleration is greater, if mass is smaller acceleration is greater. Okay, that's why this apple get attracted toward the center of the earth, and this earth having huge mass, that's why it does not, the acceleration is too much smaller. If mass is greater, acceleration will be smaller, that's why earth does not attracted towards the apple. Thank you so much.